everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a gorgeous 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu. Beautiful car, guys. Recent frame-off restoration. This is an original California car, rock solid body. This is the original color, which is Lemans blue. It's got the black vinyl top and the black vinyl interior. And I'm telling you, just a gorgeous car. It's nice on the top as it is on the bottom. Really nicely done car, guys. It'll be a perfect Yanko clone, but it's actually it's a matching numbers, 350 cubic inch engine, factory 4-speed, 12-bolt rear end car. You can see it's got the, and these are cool. We've had these on a couple of cars now. Those are the radial red lines. They look like the old bias ply. They got the bias ply look, but those are actually radials. Stock steel wheels with the dog dish hubcaps. Great little car, man. Great little sleeper. And I'll tell you, beautifully done. Couple little touch-up marks in the paint, but not a whole lot to really pick, guys. Sorry, man, it is, if my hands are shaking, it's just bitter cold out here this morning. Vinyl top's in great shape. Rear glass is nice. This is a great car, man. This is what's kept us around for 40 years right here, guys. Cars like this. Look how nice and straight that thing is down the side. They put the Nicky Chevrolet sticker on it. It's not a real Nicky car, but it's kind of set up with the performance packages like you'd see something out of there. You know, with the bucket seats, the console, the 4-speed, the 12-bolt, the 350. Again, these are super cool. I always tell people I love the looks of the bias ply tires. The problem is they ride like heck. These are radials, so you get the radial ride and you get the bias ply factory look. I think Coker makes all these. They're the Firestone FR70s is what they are. Again, matching numbers, 350 cubic inch engine, 4-barrel stock intake and exhaust manifolds, Muncie 4-speed manual transmission. Car does have power steering and power brakes. Usually with a 4-speed, they're manual steering, so the power steering in a 4-speed is a real plus. You can see it's got all the correct GM hoses on it. Again, complete frame-off restoration. You can see that gearbox is new. They've just done a great job on this car. Original California built car. Front sway bar. And really just runs and drives excellent, guys. Bunch of new stuff coming, guys. I'm trying to advertise it. Unfortunately, we've got to deal with the weather here right now. But a bunch of new stuff that we need to get posted. Couple little pits on that mirror. Newer door handles. You can see the new door rubbers. Factory black vinyl interior. Bucket seats, console. It's got the stock Hurst shifter in it, factory dash, all the correct seat belts in it. Just a great car. It's showing 15,000. I'm sure that's 115, guys, on the factory dash. It's got the factory AM radio. It actually comes on too. It works. Dual exhaust, chrome tips. It's a 12 bolt, not a big gear, probably like a 331. Everywhere you look, man, that's the way this car looks, man. Just clean as a pin. Did a beautiful job on the paint. This is the way I like to buy them, guys. We really did nothing to this car. Wiped it down. Factory jack with spare. And I think that's really what separates us, guys. We own all our own inventory. I don't do any consignment. I think 90% of the dealers you really see out there, that's all they do is consignment. I don't buy any car unless I'd park it in my driveway. See how nice cars underneath, your fuel tank, your duals. I mean, they even got the little inspection stickers on it. They've really done a nice job with this car. Not that they're perfect. You know, I always tell everybody, every old car, you can find something wrong with them, but I try to buy the nicest possible car I can and keep the prices down. And as we all know, they are all skyrocketing. Everybody wants these old cars, and huge demand, not a big supply. And restoration costs have gone through the roof. Steering wheel's nice, you can tell those gauges are nice. And it's just a great car. Door buzzer still works, if you heard Jay when he got in there. Just a little baby doll, guys. This thing runs out awesome. Nice thing about these cars, it's like driving your checkbook, man. You just keep them nice, they just go up in value. Fuel gauge works. I know the parking brake does work. Backup lights work. Even the reverse lockout, it's got a factory 4-speed. It's got a reverse lockout, so the car's got to be in reverse to get the key out. And I think comes on. I couldn't get a station, but
couldn't either, but it powers up.
Blower motor does work. Oh, and in the glove box here, there's some original paperwork actually when the car was bought new. I forgot about that.
GMAC paperwork.
Yeah, the original GMAC paperwork. That's a great car, man. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook page or our Instagram page. Or as always, the old-fashioned way, pick up the phone, give my guys a call, 248-620-3355. I love this car, man. That's a good car. You know, most people would have SS cloned this car because of the bucket seats and everything right now. I love it the way it is. Turn the key, take it right to a show. Have a great day, guys.